Welcome to the Quiz Clash. How good is your general knowledge? Answer these 50 questions and see how many you get right. Ready for the challenge? What is the capital city of France? Paris. In which year did the Titanic sink? (1912). How many bones are there in the adult human body? (206). What is the largest planet in our solar system? Jupiter. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile. How many players are there on a soccer team? (11). Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Which country has the largest population? China. What is the chemical symbol for water? H2O. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci. Which is the largest desert in the world? Antarctica. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. Who discovered America? Christopher Columbus. Where is the Statue of Liberty located? New York City. What is the largest mammal? Whale. Who invented the telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. What is the chemical symbol for gold? AU. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Who is known as the king of pop? Michael Jackson. How many senses do humans have? Five. Which is the smallest continent by land area? Australia? Which company created the iPhone? Apple? Which planet is known as the red planet? Mars. What part of the human body produces insulin? Pancreas. In which city is the Eiffel Tower located? Paris. What is a group of lions called? Pride. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Pacific. Who is credited with inventing the light bulb? Thomas Edison. In which country is the Taj Mahal located? India. What is the capital of Canada? Ottawa. What is the square root of 64? Eight. In which year were the first modern Olympic Games held? (1896). What vitamin is produced when a person is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. In which city was the Berlin Wall located? Berlin. What is the smallest bone in the human body? States. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. What is the chemical symbol for oxygen? O. Where is the Great Pyramid of Giza located? Egypt. How many planets are in our solar system? Eight. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body? Heart. What was the first capital of the United States? New York City. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. What is the fastest land animal? Cheetah. What is the average normal body temperature in degrees Fahrenheit? (98.6). What is the smallest planet in our solar system? Mercury. How many moons does Earth have? One. What is the force that pulls objects toward Earth called? Gravity. Which musical instrument has keys, pedals, and strings? Piano. In which year did World War II end? (1945). That's the end of our general knowledge quiz. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments and let us know which question stumped you the most. If you enjoyed the challenge, don't forget to subscribe to the Quiz Clash for more fun quizzes and tests. Thanks for playing along, and we'll see you in the next video.